Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this lecture we'll be just learning a lot more things about the JavaScript. So why, remember we just put it the second alert and this is an alert, so why we put it the double quotes, and what is the difference between a single and double quotes, and why we put them. Actually, it's not a rendering language just like the HTML. So the very basic difference between them is, if you put 2 plus 4 in HTML, HTML will show 2 plus 4, but if you just put 2 plus 4 in JavaScript, it will show you the 6. That means JavaScript is a programming language in actual. So we're now just came to a programming language. So in a programming language there are different kind of data types. This is the data, everything we put, a kind of information is actually data, and data type is like numbers, alphabets, or different things. So the numbers are called strings. Numbers are, oh, sorry, not a string but integers. Actually, spelling must be clear. Not important to be clear right now because I'm just going to show you, but they are the important thing. Numbers are integers. Okay, and the second thing is alphabets means the text. This is like a text. This is not gonna be multiplied or divided or etc. Are strings. Okay, cool. And right now I'm just gonna teach you another thing that I just put these two things, so they can create a big mess here. If I just refresh that, nothing here, but they can create the reason because I just put it something, and I'm not telling that what I just want with these things. These are because of plain words, but if I just put some kind of JavaScript reserved words instead of them, like int, etc, var, so they will create a mess. So when you're just putting some text and you just want them to be commented as we just did in JavaScript, we just need to do the double slashes, backslashes, and now they are the comments only. This is cool. And now I'm just going to talk about what we were talking. The numbers are integers, but there is no number. But here the alphabets are strings. Okay, cool. Now strings, can we put it inside the double or single quote? No problem, you put double or single quote. It's on your own choice, but you have to put things inside the quotes to make sure that it's a string. Also, the alphabet cannot be an integer, okay, but a number can be an alphabet, or it can be a string or a plain text, but a number can be integer too. Like, I'm just going down and I'm just making another alert here. You can see that, and here I'm just putting 2 plus 4. Save it, go to the browser back and refresh that. Now this is an alert. Okay, this is the second alert. Okay, 6. We're getting 6. Okay, cool, I get it. And save it. Now I'm just going to the I'm instead of just calling the alert, why not I just call the console.log, and I'm just going top here, just changing the things here to console.log, and just going there and just making that console.log too. Okay, now I'm just gonna go there back, and I'm just gonna refresh that. I'm not gonna get anything here, but I'm just gonna go to the F12. So I'm just gonna get the things at the F12 area. I just do not want the what's new thing. Console is okay. Okay, I got these things here. This is an alert, the second alert, and the 6. Number 6 means we got the 6. Okay, cool. Now go back, and if I just put or just leave this as it is, and another console.log I'm adding, and here I'm just doing same things, but 2 plus 4, but inside the double or single quotes. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got another one, but this is 2 plus 4 because it didn't work in a way I want, because they are the string now. Now I think it has got the difference between the strings and the numbers. There are another way of storing the data in JavaScript which is a little different, so let's just talk about them too. No problem. They are called variables. Means why we just put the data inside the why we just put the data directly to the console log. We can do a lot of different things, like we just can go down, or we just can store the data inside a variable, and then we can call the variable. it is just like we're just storing the data inside a book, and we just call the book name and then fetch everything from the book. I think about the variables, we should go to the next class because it is a big chapter. So we'll be clearing about the variables in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.